Hey, hi, this is Dwarka. I'm Saye from Ramanagodam. Now I'm sharing my feedback in Unified Mentor online internship program. I am feeling very glad to have joined the Unified Mentor online internship program in data science. It was very enhancing and experience that allowed me to strengthen my technical skills and analytical skills toward the real world learning. Despite being an online program, it was well structured and interactive and professionally guided. I'm very happy for that. I'm gaining practical exposure to data processing, visualization, and Power BI and all. Mm, the mentors also very friendly, and they I've learned so many things from them. So they are guided me very clearly. They helped me very much. I'm very happy for that. The project based learning approach made that session both interesting and impact also. Overall, I truly appreciate Unified Mentor from offering such a comprehension and flexible online internship that has great enhanced my confidence, analytical skills, and understanding the data of science. And also, I gained so much of knowledge in Power BI also. Thank you so much.